So I just went up, grabbed the wheel, turned it right, and then I just took the keys out of the ignition. And yeah, the bus stopped, and it was pretty scary.
You alright? You alright? You alright?
I'm trying to. I'm sure you.
I don't know how to do CPR.
I just knew something was bad because, yeah, he looked like he was having a seizure or choking because he was going, making a weird noise.
I already got it. Okay, she got silent. Here, there's gotta be a person. Oh my gosh.
I know who's calling.
Shut up!
Yeah, here, watch out.
Shut up! My bus driver, he just like passed out and like right in front of the school.
I was thinking of let's see, what was it? I was reading a book about these superheroes, and this guy was in a bus, and he was talking on his walkie-talkie, and the guy was telling him to turn the ignition off. I was just thinking of that book for some reason. Because I knew I probably couldn't have hit the brake because he was really big.
Yeah.
Okay. I can't even bring my backpack.
Are you breathing? All right, yeah. Go ahead and go out and walk to school.